By the reason of the things I saw, that is why I want us to pray this prayer. Lift up that and say, Lord, you have my permission.
You have my permission.
Any altar, anywhere, any power, anywhere, any spirit, anywhere, that has vowed that I will go down, let them go down, by fire. Listen to me, look at me. Any altar anywhere, any power anywhere, any spirit anywhere that has vowed that I will go down, let them go down by fire.
Yes, sir.
Am I talking to somebody?
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. Until you are violent. The Lord spoke to me some time ago and said, your people are not violent. Some of them are not having fighting spirits. Some of them are not having refusal spirits. Anything that the enemy gives to them, they accept it. They look at it as the normal thing. You are supposed to employ somebody manipulate somewhere. That is a prophecy over Israel that you will be in captivity for 400 years. But the 400 came, they were still in captivity. 410, they were still in captivity. 420, they were still in captivity. Until one man was born and he started carrying knife. Lift your right hand up to heaven. I wish that somebody, you came for altar versus altars. Lift up your right hand up to heaven. There was something I saw. Oh, Jesus, have mercy. Lift up that right hand. Say, Lord, I decree and I declare. You have my permission. To bring down. Whatsoever that has found. That I will go down. Any altar anywhere. Any spirit anywhere. Any power anywhere. That has found. Amamina Eli Miracle Church. Will go down. Go down by fire. Lift up your voice and pray that prayer. In the name of Jesus.